Welcome to Learning and Fun for Everyone. This series provides parents and respite providers the tools to facilitate learning and empower children, youth, and adults with special needs. This is a project by Child Development Resource Connection Peel and Peel Respite Services, curated and hosted by yours truly, Malgosha, a respite coordinator and information and referral specialist. Today's guest is Carla Ward. Carla is the founder of Early Learning Foundations. She strives to instill independence, resiliency, and growth in students from K to grade 8. ELF has been going on 13 years strong. Carla believes learning goes beyond the classroom, and today she will walk us through 5 simple and fun activities that will lead to skill development in your child at home. Here are the activities and supplies you will be needing.
Hi, Carla. How are you?
Hi, Malgosha. I'm doing great. How are you doing?
I am great, thank you. I have been working, cleaning, cooking, exercising, but I've been just so bored being at home. How about you?
I've been building with blocks. Did you know that blocks help you build up your gross and fine motor skills?
Wow, I have some too.
That means that I am building up my finger skills for handwriting and improving my handwriting without even holding a pencil. There are so many things that you can do with blocks. You have to use your critical thinking and problem solving skills. I built a cat house for my cat Sneakers. What did you build with your blocks?
I built a tiny house.
You know what we could do today?
What?
It's so hot outside, we could paint with ice.
I did not know we can do that.
Check this out. If we mix some paint with water in an ice cube tray, so let's add some yellow. We'll add some pink.
This is so exciting.
And then you add some water. Then I put some popsicle sticks in them. Pop them in the freezer. And then I have a paintsicle. And a trick is to break the popsicle stick in half so it's easier to hold, because then I am working on my fine motor skills again when I start painting with my ice cube. I've made a paintsicle. Get it?
Now I do. Wow. I love this. It makes me want to go swimming.
I love swimming. I love anything with water play in the summer. I just wish I had a pool. Do you have one?
No, but I'm really good at staying afloat and swimming in the water.
Oh, you know what we could do? We could see what sinks and floats.
That sounds fun.
If I take this bowl and I fill it with water, we can drop things in it to see what floats. Do you have something like this at your house?
I do. Here it is.
So fun. Let's see if we can put quarters in the water and if they'll float.
Yeah. Mine is going straight to the bottom.
Whoa. Let's see. Let's try with these quarters again. Oh, wow. They definitely sink. What about a wooden pencil? Oh, mine half floats and half sinks.
My sequins are floating.
Hey, Malgosia, we're doing science.
That's amazing.
There's so much we can do with water. I have some water bottles. I think we should fill them up with water and other things and see what we can make.
Oh, that sounds like a fun project.
Let's put some pom-poms in here. you can shake them. We can also do another water bottle with water, food coloring, and some glitter and sequences. Now when you put the lid on, make sure to also tape it shut. I like to call these my calm down bottles.
This is just so calming. This really just stimulates my eyes, my hearing, my motor skills. Do you know what else we can add to the bottles?
What?
Oil and water.
That's a great idea. Let's start with the water. And I'm going to add some food coloring so that we can really see the difference between the oil and the water. Now make sure the lid is on really tight, and you may want to tape it shut if you're giving it to your little ones. See how there's a separation? Watch what happens when I turn it over. The water floats to the top. So these are awesome calm down bottles. You can put anything in them. You can even add sequences into these water bottles.
Look at that. All the oil is floating to the top.
Now onto my favorite activity.
What's that?
Cloud dough.
Sounds hard.
No, this is the easiest recipe in the world and faster than Play-Doh. All you need is cornstarch and hair conditioner. It's going to be 2 heaping cups of cornstarch and 1 leveled cup of conditioner. And you can make it scented. I have coconut conditioner. So I'm going to put in 2 heaping cups of cornstarch. 1.
Oh, that happens to me too.
And now for my 1 cup of conditioner.
Whoa.
And the best part is that while I work and move the Play-Doh or the cloud dough, I am strengthening my fine motor skills again. There are so many opportunities to strengthen your fine motor skills without having to do continuous writing practice. Okay, here I go, getting my fingers dirty. It's very, very gooey.
Yes, it is so soft. Wow, look at that.
So you got to keep working it. Now, if it's too crumbly, you may have to add a little bit more conditioner. But not too much, otherwise it's going to be too goopy. Mine is all done. You can see it started out really sticky, but now I've worked it and it's not sticky and it feels as smooth as a cloud.
Oh, it is so incredibly soft. It's so nice to feel.
Well, this was a lot of fun today.
Thanks so much, Carla, for introducing all these wonderful and fun little activities to do at home.
Sometimes we just have to get creative. Thanks for joining me.
And for all those tuning in, thanks so much for catching this episode on Learning and Fun for Everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. And stay tuned for our next episode that is coming up. Bye!